Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a really quick video of how to pack personal item only. So I flew Frontier on my flight to Charlotte and I decided I didn't want to pay for the carry-on bag. Number one, because I'm only going for 2 days. Number two, I was doing this as kind of an experiment to see how cheap I could get by. So I packed everything in a personal item, so basically a backpack, my JanSport backpack that I've had since high school. And I had done this previously when we went to Disney World a couple months ago, but I wanted to do it again because I knew I could do it then. I definitely can now if it's just me and only 2 days. So here's what I brought. First, I have my travel scarf. I've mentioned this before. I absolutely love it. I wear it because it's got this little pocket right here. And usually I keep things like lip balm and my headphones, etc. inside. It zips up. And then I have it to wear on the plane, and I can easily get to my stuff if I need it. It's also really great when you're in colder weather areas because obviously that'll keep you warm, and who doesn't love that? I have my jacket. I just brought my hoodie that I wore around. This fits in my backpack if I don't want to wear it, but I wanted to show it to you because also this doesn't count as an item when you're getting on the airplane. So if you're wearing this or you're carrying it, it's not considered part of your carry-on. However, it does fit in my carry-on because this isn't full. So I have my water bottle right here. I have a little carabiner clipped onto it. And I'll just show you what I have inside real quick so you can see how easy it is to pack. I went very minimal. Like I said, I'm only here 2 days, so I only needed 2 days worth of clothing, and I didn't need mini toiletries because I'm only here for 2 days. So I have my purse that it does fit in here because, of course, with this being my personal item, I can't also have a personal item when I am getting on the airplane. But this is what I use to walk around the city with. It's very small. I've got my mask. I've got my backup battery for my phone. I've got lip gloss in here. I've got my wallet. And that's pretty much all I have in here. That's all I really needed. Especially just going by yourself. It's really liberating. Normally I have all this stuff because I have a young child, but it's been so liberating not needing anything. It's been great. I have my toothbrush, facial wipes. I have my travel fan. I go everywhere with this because I get really hot at night and so I need it to sleep. I don't even need it during the day, just at night. So I plug it in right next to the bed and I'm good. Then I have all my clothing in a packing cube. Everything I needed fits in here. It is not even full, as you can see. There's still plenty of room. I also have my black pillowcase in here. Since I have my pink hair, I travel with a black pillowcase because I will stay in the pillowcases. So that's all in here. Then in the next couch compartment, whatever you want to call it, I have my sunglasses, my toiletries bag. This is another little bag of toiletries, but it's like the stuff that's dry, like my deodorant, Q-tips. I have an extra phone charger in there just because I was trying to find a place to put everything. Hairbrush, my dry shampoo. I had switched to a powder to dry shampoo because it's not a liquid, so I can travel with it. And then I've got one more little pouch in here with like first aid kit, like ibuprofen, things like that. And the only other thing I have is in this top compartment of my backpack right here. It's where I kept my main phone charger, some Clorox wipes, vitamins, and a pack of gum. That's pretty much it, guys. Last, I do think I have one more thing in here I'll show you. The front package is where I keep all my masks. So that's it. That's everything. I didn't need anything. I didn't forget anything. It was very easy to pack this way, and it didn't cost me anything on Frontier Airlines, and it wouldn't on any of the other budget airlines. Yeah, I really like traveling this way. It's nice because I don't have to wait in line to check a bag at the airport, and when I get off, I get to just leave. I don't have to wait in line or wait at baggage claim to pick up my bag. So it's very free and liberating. So if you don't already travel carry-on only, I highly recommend it, especially if it's such a short trip like this. It's so nice. Now I say that, but next year when we go on our Alaska cruise, it's gonna be a different story. I'm gonna have the big old suitcase that I'm gonna check. But that's it for today. So I hope you liked it. I'll link everything down below that I have purchased, all my like bags and my fan and all that stuff that I've purchased. I'll link it below in case you're interested for your travels. They are affiliate links, so if you click on them and buy something, I'll get commission for that. But I really recommend them. They're all things that I have purchased myself. So I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will talk to you later. Bye.